5 reasons why women need to be financially independent. With the kind of cost of living that the current generation has to put up with, it makes sense that every working age member earns some part of it. Financial independence is the ability to earn one's own living. It is important for every individual to be financially independent. More so, the women. In India, many women are efficient homemakers, and their careers take a back seat when they enter motherhood or when the domestic needs overcome their career goals. What starts as a maternity break for so many women stretch into a break in career itself. However, something to consider is that women outlive men in many cases, and hence quite a few of them will have to live their retired lives alone.
Here is why every woman needs to be financially independent, married or not. Number 1. To preempt emergencies. Every family needs to be prepared for a contingency. Layoffs are more frequent, jobs aren't super secure, and neither is life. If the husband is the sole bread earner, with the wife and kids being dependent on him, then there is reason to worry for the family. Panic tends to ensue in the time the man finds a new job. With most families running the risk of multiple EMIs, it makes sense for the lady of the house to also hold down a job. Number 2. To meet the rising cost of living. Inflation, as we all know, has risen noticeably in the last few decades. To own a decent home, send your kids to a good school, and live an above-average standard of living has become very high. Hence, two-income households certainly fare better. Women who are financially independent can not only contribute to the everyday expenses of the household, but also help to meet the family's financial goals.
Number 3. To feel responsible and boost morale. Financially independent people are capable of taking their own decisions and don't have to depend on anybody. This increases their self-respect and makes them more confident to face any kind of situation in life. Many women from conservative backgrounds with dreams and aspirations depend on their partners or parents for their fulfillment. Being financially independent will enable them to self-sufficiently fulfill their wishes, enhance their skill sets, go for a trip with friends, or even buy things that they want, and so on. Number 4. To stop feeling dependent. No one should have to tolerate domestic violence or abuse, much less because they're financially dependent on their partners. Therefore, it is extremely important that every woman becomes financially independent so that they never have to feel helpless in life. Number 5. To be a role model. A woman who can support the needs of the family financially, socially, emotionally, and so on is a role model for her children to show them that gender bias is created by the society and doesn't mean anything when a woman is strong, confident, and sure of herself. The children learn from what they see. If kids see that their mothers are financially independent, they will also understand the value of money and be inspired to be self-sufficient in life when they grow up.
It is extremely important for all women, be it married, single, separated, widowed or divorced, to be financially independent. However, it is important not to confuse financial independence with financial security. A monthly paycheck in your bank account alone cannot render you capable of meeting all of your financial goals. It is how you plan and manage your finances which will result in fruition of goals later in life. So these were some tips on how women in India can become financially independent. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more financial tips.